Namaskaram, viewers. The guest that we are going to have tomorrow is a young nationalist from Chennai, I should say perhaps South India, who has nationalist intentions at heart and he walks the talk. He is a huge upcoming star in Tamil version of online channels that he runs called Ilaya Bharadam, which means Young India. And I have become a fan after just watching a few of his videos, very to the point. And what was a pleasant discovery for me was when I saw one of his addresses in English, and the man is amazingly fluent. I said, now I have to introduce this young genius to the world audience. His name is Karthik Gopinath. Karthik, I look forward to having a live hangout with you. We're going to talk about a very interesting topic when intellectuals who want to do good for the country lose in assembly elections. And I'm mentioning about two individuals, two towering individuals, one Dr. Sridharan and the other is Annamalai IPS. Then one wonders, when well-intentioned individuals want to serve the people, is this the way we treat them? How much is the lust for money going to drive people to make the wrong decision? This is going to be our topic, and we hope that you will come and join us in huge numbers. Karthik, if you would like to say a few words.
Of course, I should first of all admit that I was a huge fan of your work. Especially, I consider this as a rarity, where people are having this idea that if you want to be a journalist, you have to take the leftist ideas, you have to be a liberal, and you have to not call yourself Hindu, basically, and any supporting of Hindu agenda, or basically even giving hand to all those Hindus that have fallen down, and the culture also, it becomes a sort of a Sanghi culture. So somebody has to bell the cat, and you started doing it quite early. And I was surprised that you watched my channel. So I'm a huge fan of yours. The admiration is mutual, and I like the kind of guests that you bring in and the quality of the discussion that is there. It's not based on just sensationalism, which sells, which is a selling point of journalism. It's just more than that, and that's why when I discovered that you're not a traditional conventional journalist, I was happy. So that you take a cause and there is depth in the analysis, and I'm very glad to be on your channel. So it's my honor, sir. And you've been generous in your choice of words in praising me, but I'm a simple Chennai guy who wants to change the atmosphere and the ecosystem here, which is very bad. And as you rightly pointed out, if people like Mr. Sridharan, who have delivered projects in time, and that too multi-crore projects in time, which is something unheard of in India, as well as a person who is dedicated his youth to serving the nation, fail in India. And that goes to show only one out of the two things. Either the electoral system is so bad, or, correct me if I'm wrong, the people are drawn into other things. One of the two things. So I'm looking forward to have a fruitful discussion with you, and of course with your esteemed audience, which I should say is global. So I don't know how you manage it, but it's a huge responsibility, and I'm humbled to be a part of it, sir.
And give you the answer when you do the live hangout. And viewers, it's going to be on Thursdays. We are going to start our first hangout on the 6th of May at 9 p.m. IST. Be there and you will get to hear Karthik Gopinath, and you can also ask questions. You can say Ask Karthik is a hashtag, and I look forward to seeing you all. Karthik, I look forward to having a conversation with you. Namaskaram, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Same here. I'm all eager to go on air with you.